Hey everyone, it's Somayeh, and today we're diving into the ultimate guide for achieving flawless skin. I'm so excited to share these tips with you because I know how much healthy skin can boost your confidence. We're going to debunk some common skincare myths, and I'll give you the knowledge you need to create a skincare routine that actually works. Get ready to transform your skin, because these 10 tips are about to change your skincare game forever. Alright, let's start with the foundation of healthy skin. Staying hydrated. Think of your skin cells like little grapes. They need water to stay plump and juicy. When you're dehydrated, your skin can become dry, flaky, and more prone to wrinkles. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep those skin cells happy. Remember, water is literally life, not just for your body, but for your skin as well. You know those times when your skin feels tight and itchy? That's your skin screaming for hydration. It's amazing how such a simple thing as drinking enough water can make a huge difference in your skin's appearance. Trust me, your skin will thank you for it. Carrying a reusable water bottle with you throughout the day can be a game changer. It serves as a constant reminder to stay hydrated and makes it super easy to keep track of your water intake. Plus, it's eco-friendly. Cleansing is non-negotiable, my friends. Throughout the day, your skin accumulates dirt, oil, pollution, and even leftover makeup, all of which can clog your pores and lead to breakouts. That's why it's crucial to cleanse your skin twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Finding the right cleanser for your skin type is essential. If you have oily skin, look for a cleanser that effectively removes excess oil without stripping your skin's natural moisture. For dry skin, opt for a gentle, hydrating cleanser. And if you have sensitive skin, avoid harsh ingredients like sulfates and fragrances. Remember, cleansing is not about aggressively scrubbing your skin. Be gentle. Use lukewarm water and massage the cleanser onto your skin in circular motions for about 60 seconds before rinsing it off. Sunscreen is your best friend when it comes to protecting your skin from harmful UV rays. We're talking about preventing premature aging, sunspots, and even skin cancer. Yes, even on cloudy days, those UV rays can penetrate through the clouds and damage your skin. Make sunscreen a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Aim for a broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. Apply it generously to all exposed areas of your skin 15 to 20 minutes before going outside, and reapply every 2 hours, especially if you're swimming or sweating. Remember, sunscreen isn't just for summer. Those UV rays are present year-round, so make it a habit to apply sunscreen every single day. It's an investment in your skin's health and future. You are what you eat, and that applies to your skin too. A healthy diet can work wonders for your skin. Load up on fruits and vegetables packed with antioxidants that protect your skin from damage. Incorporate foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and walnuts, which help maintain your skin's natural oil barrier and reduce inflammation. And don't forget about vitamin C. It's essential for collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and elastic. Remember, what you put into your body directly affects your skin's health. A balanced diet is like giving your skin a nutritional boost from the inside out. They don't call it beauty sleep for nothing. When you sleep, your body goes into repair mode, and that includes your skin. Getting enough sleep allows your skin to regenerate and repair itself from the day's damage. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. During this time, your skin produces collagen, which helps maintain its elasticity and prevent wrinkles. Lack of sleep, on the other hand, can lead to dullness, dark circles, and even breakouts. Prioritizing sleep is like hitting the reset button for your skin. It gives your skin a chance to recover and rejuvenate, leaving you with a healthy and radiant complexion. Stress is a silent killer, not just for your mental health, but for your skin too. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones that can trigger inflammation, leading to acne breakouts, eczema flare-ups, and even premature aging. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for both your overall well-being and your skin's health. Incorporate stress-reducing activities into your routine, such as exercise, meditation, yoga, or spending time in nature. Remember, stress management is not about eliminating stress completely, but about finding healthy coping mechanisms. By prioritizing your mental well-being, you're also taking care of your skin's health. Exfoliation is like giving your skin a fresh start. It involves removing dead skin cells that can build up on the surface of your skin, leading to dullness, clogged pores, and uneven texture. By exfoliating regularly, you allow your skincare products to penetrate deeper and work more effectively. There are two main types of exfoliation: physical and chemical. Physical exfoliation involves using scrubs or brushes to manually remove dead skin cells. Chemical exfoliation uses acids like AHAs and BHAs to dissolve the bonds that hold dead skin cells together. Choose an exfoliation method that suits your skin type and sensitivity. If you have sensitive skin, opt for a gentle chemical exfoliant or a very fine physical scrub. And remember, don't overdo it. Exfoliating 1 to 2 times a week is sufficient for most skin types. Moisturizing is essential for keeping your skin hydrated, plump, and healthy. It helps to replenish the skin's natural moisture barrier, which acts as a protective shield against environmental damage. Choosing the right moisturizer depends on your skin type. If you have oily skin, opt for a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer. For dry skin, choose a richer, more emollient moisturizer that provides intense hydration. And for sensitive skin, look for fragrance-free and hypoallergenic options. Remember, moisturizing is not just for people with dry skin. Even if you have oily skin, your skin still needs hydration. Moisturizing helps to balance your skin's oil production and prevent it from becoming overly oily. Your hands are a breeding ground for bacteria, and every time you touch your face, you're transferring those germs to your skin. This can lead to breakouts, infections, and even spread existing blemishes. Be mindful of your habits throughout the day. Avoid resting your chin on your hand or touching your face unnecessarily. If you need to touch your face, make sure your hands are clean. Remember, keeping your hands away from your face is a simple yet effective way to prevent the spread of bacteria and maintain clear skin. If you're struggling with persistent skin concerns such as acne, eczema, or rosacea, it's essential to seek professional help from a dermatologist. A dermatologist can diagnose your skin condition, recommend appropriate treatments, and provide personalized advice tailored to your specific needs. Don't hesitate to reach out to a dermatologist if you're experiencing any of the following: severe or persistent acne, unexplained rashes or skin changes, unusual moles, or any skin concern that's causing you distress or impacting your quality of life. Remember, a dermatologist is your skincare expert. They have the knowledge and expertise to address your skin concerns effectively and help you achieve healthy, radiant skin. So there you have it, my 10 must-try tips for flawless skin. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Make these tips a part of your daily routine and you'll be amazed by the transformation in your skin. It's all about giving your skin the love and care it deserves. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.